Today we're looking at a 2010 Honda CR-V EX. It's got 72,000 miles on it. It's a Carfax 2-owner. It's got a great service record. All right, it's urban titanium metallic in color. We'll go ahead and walk around the vehicle with you. Make our way down the driver's side. Everything's in good shape there. Everything looks good across the rear of the vehicle. Make our way down the passenger side. And everything's in really good shape. Just one small little ding right here on the hood. Okay, and that's about everything I see that's wrong with the exterior of this vehicle. This is in great shape. It's a 2010, 72,000 miles on it. All right, this thing's going to be competitively priced. It's got the black and ivory door panels, power locks, power windows. All right, it's got the ivory cloth. Driver's seat looks good. It does have your 2 keyless entry key fobs. Your power outlet there and auxiliary. Second row cloth, or I'm sorry, passenger seat cloth. It's in great shape. It is an automatic. Got your climate controls there. AM FM 6-disc CD player. Okay. Steering wheel audio controls. Let's go ahead and take a look at the mileage. Alright, it's got 72,040 miles on it. Now that we've got it started, I'll show you the entertainment system again. Alright, it does have the CD6. Okay. Climate controls. AC's already blowing cold, no problems there. Let's go ahead and take a look in the back seat. Just a small little stain right there on the seat, but really minor. Everything else back here looks like it's in great shape. For a 2010 with 72,000 miles on it, I'll take it. I mean, this thing's in great shape. It does have the center console that comes down, got the cup holders there. Let's go ahead and give you your driver's eye view of the dash and the layout. Alright, let's take a look in the back. It does have the second level right here. You can fold that up. But as you can see, the carpet back here is in great shape. Got the power outlet down here. Okay, but this thing is in fantastic shape. Plenty of room back here in the back. Let's check out the wheels and tires. 17-inch alloys. Brand new set of tires on here. Plenty of tread left on them. Alright, once again, it's a 2010 Honda CR-V EX, 72,000 miles on it. It's got a great maintenance record. It's a Carfax 2-owner. Alright, this thing's in incredible shape for as much miles as it has in the age. It's competitively priced. You got to come down here, check this thing out, take a test drive, and thanks for watching the video.